Hello students, so we have come to the next segment of our syllabus where we are going to talk about financial mathematics. So let's start with the definitions. We are going to do the rundown of all the topics that we're going to be looking at. Then we are going to have one big tutorial at the end of financial mathematics. So financial mathematics, simple interest. Interest, this is the money earned on a principal. For example, if you deposit a certain amount of money, let's say $10,000 in a bank, and you put it in a savings account. There are different accounts in a bank. There is a normal banking account where they charge you money to keep your money safe. They charge you rates to keep your money safe. But there are savings account where you agree with the bank that I'm going to keep my money for a certain period of time, and I'm not going to withdraw that money, and the bank is allowed to invest that money. And from that money that the bank invests, the bank gets money back in form of interest and they share it with you. So the bank will agree that if you keep your money for 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years, they will be giving you a certain percentage of your money back. Let's say, for example, they will give you 3% per year. So the famous US Treasury bills, they yield about 4 to 5% a year. So that's interest. P is the principal. The equation for interest is given by principal times rate times time divided by 100. So P represents the principal. This is the amount of money that you're going to invest. R represents the rate. It represents the rates that you're going to get. And time represents time in years. This formula only works if you convert time into years. And I, of course, represents interest. So the total amount earned is always equal to the principal, the initial deposit, plus the interest. Time conversions. So this is where you have to be careful. So you might have an investment period of 6 months. Some banks offer an investment period of 6 months, and some banks or central banks offer an investment period of 90 days. So you must always convert the time into years before you start your calculation. So after this, you're going to go